Hey there! So let's talk about a common problem many people encounter when working with location data in R. The problem lies in parsing latitude and longitude information that's bundled together in a single string. This can make it challenging to extract and work with the coordinates individually for each observation in your dataset. Now, diving into the solution provided earlier, the key here is to convert the data into a valid table format using a neat trick. By converting the dataset to a DCF, Debian control file format, and then using the read.dcf function, we can easily extract the latitude and longitude information into separate columns. This method efficiently splits the combined coordinates and organizes them neatly into a structured data frame, making the data easily accessible and ready for further analysis. In summary, we've successfully tackled the problem of extracting latitude and longitude information from a messy string format in a dataset. By utilizing the power of R and a clever data conversion technique, we've transformed the data into a clean, structured format ready for analysis. Well, that's all for today's video. If you found this solution helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Remember, liking the video and leaving a comment are always appreciated. Until next time, happy coding, and may your data always be well structured and easy to work with.